Hey guys, welcome back to my colourful country life. Today I'd like to take a closer look at the Grabie 48 alcohol marker set. Now, Grabie has very kindly sent me this out to try, and this is their very first alcohol marker release with dual brush and chisel tips, vibrant colours, handy storage as well, and a very cute mini colouring book. I can't wait to show you everything. I am actually really excited. I have mentioned before that I don't own many alcohol marker sets, so I really want to see what these colours look like swatched out and how they perform. So like I said, the markers come in this clear tub, which is perfect for storing your markers in. It does have this handy little handle here if you like to carry your markers from room to room when you're colouring, or great for travelling as well. It does lay flat like I've had it on the screen here, so you can store your markers horizontally, and it's also easy to see the colours as well because it is clear. So the set also includes this mini colouring book here, which we will take a look at in a second. But inside the plastic tub, we do have a removable divider, which you can see through the side here. And that is currently keeping all my markers in place and nice and neat. Now, when you're colouring, you can lay the tub on the side like this, and you have easy access to your markers, and you can just pull them out and push them back in when you're done. So each marker does feature the brush and chisel tips with colour numbers on both ends as well. So you can see both ends through the clear tub. Now, the brush tip is great for getting into smaller areas, great for shading and blending. And depending on how much pressure you use, you can vary the thickness of your strokes with it as well. Now, for the chisel tip, it is perfect for larger areas like backgrounds, great for streak-free coverage of your larger areas, but you can also use the tip of your chisel to get some fine lines too. And I'll just pop that back in here. So I'll lift that up and we can have a look at our colouring book. So the colouring book has the bold, easy illustrations that are really popular at the moment, actually. They're really simple pictures if you're looking for some quick, mindless colouring with your markers. The paper is specifically designed for alcohol markers. It is still quite thin. So we'll see. It shouldn't bleed through, but we'll see. We might actually colour one of these in a minute. But so really simple, quick colouring. And at the front of the book, we have our swatch sheets here. Okay, so it says here, the paper is made of Grabie premium marker paper, which is excellent for colour blending. By layering in 2 steps, you can see the colour gradient and versatility of each Grabie marker. By layering in 2 steps. So they've got the little 2 sections here. So am I supposed to go colour one and then do a second layer on the other? Perhaps. I don't know if I'm going to do that. I'm just going to do like one swipe across, I think. Are they in the same order we've got here? 137, 282, 147, 25, 38, 31. Yes. And okay, so that half is on that page and that half is on that page. Yeah, okay, so what I'm actually going to do, because these are, you can detach them, so I'm going to do that so I can keep this in my folder of swatch sheets. Okay, and I'll put our colouring book to the side so we can have a look at that after. So let's swatch. Move that out of our way. I'll zoom you in. All right, so I'm going to start from this side and go across, I think, because I'm left-handed, for those who didn't already know. I might use a chisel tip and just sort of swipe it across. Now, I do have a new phone. I've got the iPhone 16 Pro Max. It is having issues with focusing for me. So I apologise if anything goes out of focus. So see how I do that? It doesn't focus. Or is it now focusing? I don't know. It's giving me issues. Anyway, so back to this chisel tip. So this is a vivid pink number 6. Okay, I'll take my watch off because it's bugging me. I'm just going to swipe this across. Actually, that's quite fat. Let me use the brush tip. That is certainly vivid pink. Look how bright that is. That's what it looks like on the other side. Okay. Okay, so there are our colours all swatched out. I'm actually quite impressed. When I looked at the box, let me just move it into the screen so you can see the colours. When I saw the box originally, I didn't realise it was going to be these wonderful pastel tones that we have here. Even the pastel greens, there's some beautiful light colours. We've got lots of beautiful pinks and purples, some really vibrant, bright, sort of even neon type of colours. These ones I think will be good for a fair skin colour, so these ones here, but There's nothing really for medium or dark skin tone, so it'd be great to have a skin tone set next. I love the greys. The greens are wonderful, beautiful range of greens. Could do with a few more reds and maybe a few more yellows or oranges, but the pinks, the purples, maybe even a few more purples. The greens and blues are great. The greys are great. I think overall for a 48 color set, they've actually really included lots of beautiful tones, really usable, perfect for their very first release. So what I think we'll do now is color one of the pictures from this coloring book. Okay, so let's color this flower. Now, I'm not going to put anything in between because it is the same paper as what we swatched on, and as you can see, even though there's shadowing, there's no bleed through, so our image on the other side should be well protected. Now, what colors am I going to use? I think I'm going to do a pink flower. So we might use number 86, vivid reddish purple, and number 17, pastel pink. Or we could use rose red and coral pink. What do I want to do? Decisions. Okay, so I think rose red, number 3, and coral pink, number 16, is the winner. Now, I'm not an expert at blending alcohol markers. I do mostly use mine for blending, although the last few months I have been, sorry, for basing, but the last few months I have been blending with them. So, let's give this a go. I'll just pop on some music and we're going to colour these flowers. Okay guys, there is our flower. My phone has rung half a dozen times while I've been trying to film this video this morning. So the markers, the blendability is excellent. Like I said, I'm not an expert, but that worked really well. I think we got a good gradient there. The pigments are vibrant, smooth coverage. I did get a little bit excited and I've gone outside the lines over here. Also, no, a bleed through. We've got a few little dots. I don't know if I call that bleed through. It hasn't come through to the other page. I did get marker on my hand, but that was just me being messy. Where did my page go? Ah, there it is. So that is the Grabie 48 alcohol marker set, their very first set of alcohol markers. I do hope there's more to come. Skin tones will be amazing. We do have, like I said, these sort of colors could be used for a fair skin tone. We perhaps have a couple of colors we could use to go towards more of a warmer dark skin tone, but it'd be great to have a specific skin tone set as well to add on to these colors. This is a perfect starting point, but a pastel set, a skin tone set, definitely I would love to see from Grabie. And as far as the price goes, they are selling for $39.99 US, which converts to I think around 59 Australian dollars if I'm correct. And you can purchase them from their website. I will pop the links down below. Grabie has also given me a discount code to share with you all, which is Karen Art, and this code will get you 15% off. I will pop it up on the screen and also down below in the video description as well. That is a permanent discount code, so you can use it at any time to get 15% off your products. And on that note, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy colouring and bye for now.